Well, first of all, I'm sorry about the background car wash, but this is trying to put that in shadow. We are going to try the Lilly dog hair scraper, and we are going to first off vacuum like they said. So here we go. Okay, so I did a light vacuum purposefully so we can see how good this Lilly dog comb works. I call these ingrown hairs because usually they're really hard to pick up. So let's see how it works. Okay, it took more than a few swipes and more than a few minutes, but I guess if I have the time, see, that's where it didn't pick it all up. So yeah, you're gonna have to take your time and try it out. So just because it takes that kind of time, I'm not 100%, but it still gets it pretty clean. Okay, I did try it, the smaller tool in the truck, and it seemed to work okay. Took a little bit of time, like I said. So now I'm on fabric. This is the hammock in the back of the truck where the dogs are. So obviously you can see all that hair. Let me try and not get my arms in the way. I am using the bigger tool, and again, this is on fabric. I have to hold the fabric tight, of course. You kind of have to, you don't kind of, you have to clean off the edge a little bit. Wipe all that hair off. Okay, so on fabric, I'm not quite sure. I'm not going to get all of this. That's just too big of a pile. So that's the area that I was working on. And
let's try it. German Shepherds. Okay, so my sofa pet hair, I don't know if you can touch it, but oh my gosh, check out this, look at that. Can you, I'm gonna refocus this here. Look at that, this thing works. Oh my god.
Gonna watch mommy clean. Are you here to supervise? Drippy. You're just gonna make more fur.